This ZOSI 3K Lite Security Camera Kit combines an 8-channel digital video recorder with 4 high-definition cameras, giving a solid foundation for whole home or small business coverage. The cameras deliver clear, full high-definition footage, and the recorder uses modern compression, so you get detailed video without filling the included 1 terabyte hard drive too quickly. Artificial intelligence-based detection that focuses on people and vehicles helps cut down on nuisance alerts from pets, branches, or shifting shadows. The weather-resistant housings and sturdy construction make these cameras reliable for year-round outdoor mounting as well as discreet indoor placement. Strong infrared night vision extends across a typical yard or driveway, so faces and vehicles stay recognizable even in very low light. Because the recorder accepts multiple common camera signal types and extra channels, the system can be expanded later as your security needs grow.